Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Katie and I will be doing a paper piecing with you today from one of my page kits. This is the 4th of July Mickey and Minnie watching fireworks, page kit number 92. Now it's called 4th of July and it's red, white, and blue, but it doesn't have to be specifically Independence Day or 4th of July photos. It can just be any photos watching fireworks at Disneyland or anywhere. Anyway, I just think this page is going to be really awesome. This is kind of a sneak peek. I don't have it quite finished, put together yet because I'm doing that with you here on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. So when I do my paper piecings, I like to start around the edges first, just like you would any jigsaw puzzle. If you're like me, I always find the edge pieces first. And because it's, in this case with the piecing, is it has an actual defined edge, so it makes it a lot easier to go in and you can see exactly where that piece is going to go rather than starting in the middle and really having no idea. So you want to start your way around the edge, and you can start by just laying a few of the pieces down without even gluing them, just to get a feel to where they're going to be placed. But let's see, this is like this. Okay, so that one's going to go right there. You can see how it's going to fit right in the groove there. It's going to have a thin black outline border that's going to go around the whole edge of all the pieces. This will fit in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and start gluing a few of these pieces down. I'm going to start with the hand. And you might notice some of these pieces have like a little connecting point. We're going to go back in at the end and take a black fine tip pen or marker and just color right over where it's joined. And this way it'll look like two pieces, but so much easier putting it together when it's all connected, and then you just draw a little line. Otherwise you're working with a lot of really small pieces. His shoes, same thing with his shoes. You can see a few different connecting points there. And you don't have to connect them with the black pen. You can leave it if you feel that it doesn't need it, and that's fine too. Just adds a little more detail. there's a little bit of glue that oozed out, so I'm just going to take the pin from my glue, go in there, and just kind of get a little bit of that excess glue off. Okay. Now this is a textured cardstock on the one that I have here, so I can tell at least that it's right side up. That helps. Not all the cardstock pieces are textured. I'm going to put the glue on the black part because this piece is so tiny. And this little blue one is her bow. Okay, now the eyes. So we have to decide or figure out which one is Minnie's and which one is Mickey's because they look so similar. So this tiny one is Minnie's. And then there's 3 more. Okay, this one. And the kit will come with a close-up photo. So you definitely will have that to look at when piecing it together. You can use the tweezers for this. I just use my fingernails. That works for me. Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of glue here. And it's finished. I always wipe off the pin, wipe off the tip. You don't want that glue to dry. And then you can even do that. Okay, now we need to go in for the detailing. So I'm going to give you a closer look. Okay, so you can see right here, we have some connecting points that we need to go over. Okay, I'm going to start with the shoes. So I want to go in line. So it's not a straight line, we're just connecting the lines, but this is a curved line. I just go over it a few times. Okay. I think those are for the shoes. Okay, the pants right here. And where else? Let's find. There's none for his shirt. And his face is fine. Okay, so on Minnie, this part of her bow, if you want to connect that. So that just adds a little more detail in her bow. Okay, and then her hand. Let's see. I think I want to connect this, and I don't have to, but and I hope I don't screw it up. And then let me do the 1, 2, 3. I think I might have kind of screwed that one up. I think they should have been lower. Make it a little bit longer. Yeah, so maybe not do the lines. I don't know. Okay, let's see. On here, this part right here. So 3 places on her dress. Right here, dividing her skirt. And then right here. Oh, is that 2 places? Maybe only 2 places. Okay, I think I'm done. Awesome, super cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.